Okay, what's one thing you hate about technology? What's one thing you love about technology? That's actually a really good one. So, one thing I like about technology is the fact that it does make things faster. I do really enjoy that. Um, One thing I don't like about technology is kind of the way that it's going, as in it's almost replacing certain jobs, or it's just. I think it's fine if it replaces jobs that are redundant or that are not usually things that we tend to want to do. I get that, like say sewage cleaning or things that are just we're not really fond of. I get that, but when it starts invading jobs that we actually want to do or that we enjoy doing, and that's when I think it becomes an issue.